It is beyond my wildest personal dream because I had doubts. I had questions. Can we survive? But thank God for our loyal customers and our loyal employees who have so much faith when they applied with us. Do not know if we can do well. We actually had more prayers than pesos, fear more than faith, but somehow faith won. This store is like a phoenix. It rose from nothing. It is in the heart of Cebu, downtown Colon, the oldest street in the Philippines. And some skeptic people even say we cannot last. The road was dusty, and now I'm surprised. This area is called Shibuya. Shibuya in Japan, but it is Shibuya in Colon. This gives me a sense of pride that we are part of what makes Colon Shibuya. Dili Sibuyas, no? My three brothers, younger brothers, Jack is a chemical engineer, Edward is a doctor, and Frank is a civil engineer. Myself, I'm a CPA. We're all professionals. Actually, my parents brought us thinking we will be professionals because they also guide us in our chosen profession. But our father, when he got this property, he said, I want all my children to build a store. And you know, like any Chinese family children, we all obey. When in fact, Jack was already starting to build his family, Edward was prepared to go to either Canada or US because he was accepted to be a doctor there. And Frank was in the US taking up his masteral. But being very obedient children, we all followed my father's order. I know my parents are watching over us now with pride. But they're not here physically. We never got here on our own without the customers and our dedicated team. You are the heartbeat of this heart of Colon. My only hope is that we can continue this journey. Not only that we have new fixtures or brighter ceilings, but this store is alive because of your footsteps. Your school runs, your grocery trips, your daily lives. And to the employee who gave their best years to this place, please stay near. What started as a prayer in a small building has now become a 6-story store. We want to thank all of you for your loyalty, your trust, and keeping my parents' dream alive. The store may look different from when we started, but the heartbeat remains the same. Welcome home, everyone. Let's begin the next chapter of this journey. Thank you.